Want to use Krea AI directly on your mobile phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access and use Krea AI on mobile in 2026, from logging in to creating images and exporting your results. So let's get started. First, open your mobile browser and go to the Krea AI website. Most features can be accessed directly from your phone without needing a separate app. Now sign in using your email or Google account. If you're already registered, just enter your credentials and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're inside, you'll see a simplified dashboard. You can access image generation, real-time tools, and your saved projects from here. To generate images, type your prompt into the input box and tap Generate. Keep your prompts clear and simple for better mobile performance. If available, you can use real-time generation on mobile as well. As you edit your prompt, the image updates instantly, making it easy to experiment on the go. After generating your image, tap on it to view details. You can also use enhancement tools to improve sharpness and quality. Once you're happy with your creation, download it directly to your phone or share it on social media with a single tap. For the best experience, use a stable internet connection, avoid very long prompts, and keep your browser updated. Yeah, this helps everything run smoother on mobile. And that's how to use Krea AI on mobile in 2026. With just your phone, you can create stunning AI images and explore real-time generation anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.